So this is the all-in-one cup press. It does cups from tumblers, mugs, glasses, etc. It does any size from 8 ounce to 30 ounces. You flip it on with this switch here, and you can set your time here on the screen by touching set, and it'll give you your Fahrenheit temperature first, and you can adjust it clear up to 483 degrees. For ceramic mugs, I use 400 degrees for 160 seconds. And to set that, you just use the screen here. When you preheat your press, you want the press to be open, not closed. Closing it will start the timer, and it's not good for your heater. The mug press comes in several different colors, from green, blue, we have purple, white, black, yellow, red, several colors to choose from, and it's all around a great press, leaving you with professional cups as a finished product.